Hello guys, we are back with another job today. This job is a company called CrossFit, and the job role is customer support representative, and it's $25 to $27 per hour. It's a full-time job position. Now, they have a link where you can go straight directly to the job link, and this is the website that you can go to, and I will post it down in link below in my description box on this channel for your resources so you can get applying. Okay, with the customer service representative position, CrossFit is looking to hire a customer service representative to deliver world-class customer service for CrossFit. You will field support inquiries directed to support at CrossFitGames.com, update macros, written facts and questions articles, manage the sports Zendesk, Intercom, Salesforce, inbox for efficiency, and keep the help center up to date. This role will work closely with the athlete support manager and competition team in addition to sport operations. This is a 1-year temporary role with full benefits. Responsibilities: provide concierge-style service to the CrossFit community, cultivating lifetime loyalty to the brand by building inquiry emails, resolve or escalates customer inquiries, complaints, and feedback quickly and efficiently. Serve as the conduit from the CrossFit Games to the public and participants, athletes who have questions or need information. Lead the seasonal hires during the open and other high volume times of year. Provide back-end support for all virtual and in-person CrossFit Games competitions. Work with the athlete support manager and country managers to create regional awareness of competition information. Work with the athlete support manager and athlete liaison to determine athlete team eligibility. Work across the company with other support teams to leverage knowledge repositories to document, track, and improve the customer experience and issue resolution. Knowledge and skill: keen attention to detail with strong organizational skills and proficiency in Google Workplace and Microsoft Office. A comprehensive understanding of the CrossFit Games season and related sport events. Operational knowledge of affiliate operation, open competition participation within affiliates and related activities. Apply to work in a dynamic team-centric environment and contribute as a team player. Ability to maintain a calm and consistent professional demeanor and thrive in a fast-paced, growth-oriented environment. Ability to prioritize and organize assignments effectively while working in a flexible and dynamic environment. Passion for CrossFit and our mission to be the world's leading platform for health, happiness, and performance. Education experience required: 2 years of experience in customer support or related disciplines. Compensation range is $25 to $27 per hour plus bonus DOE. And this is an equal employment opportunity employer, and they don't discriminate against sex, race, religion, national origin, age, pregnancy, sexual orientation, gender identity, and gender expression, past or present military service, disability, genetic information, or any other basis bias protected by applicable federal and state and or local laws. So apply to this job. You hit that link and you can go ahead and start applying for that job with that company. So the next job that I will have is going to be Conduent. Conduent is This is the job position for a customer representative position online and software work from home company. It's based in Vermont and $16.50 per hour. And you can apply from this website, from this right here. But I'm not going to show you guys because I have to open my account. But Conduent is there, and I will post a link down below after I get into my account. So with this job, it's basically tell you exactly what's on here from Indeed, but it's going to go into a little bit more detail once you get into the website about this job and about this position. They have great dental benefits, health insurance, paid time off, paid training, vision insurance, and work from home. Through our dedicated associates, Conduent delivers mission critical services and solutions on behalf of the Fortune 100 companies and over 500 governments, creating exceptional outcomes of our clients and the millions of people who count on them. You have an opportunity to personally thrive, make a difference, and be part of a culture where individuality is noticed and valued every day. Customer service representative online and software work from home. The starting pay is $16.50 per hour. The training is Monday through Friday. Work shift will be assigned after training, which may include a weekend day. Plenty of growth opportunities within the financial service team. Health benefits for you and your family, including medical, dental, and vision, and paid time off. About the customer service representative role. As a member of the team, you will help people every day by taking calls, actively listening to and understanding customers' needs, and answering their questions. You will manage a high volume of incoming calls from customers while navigating through multiple systems. Our call center associates are members of a supportive team. Your excellent customer service and communication skills will help us create positive experience for our customers and clients. Your punctuality and dependability are key to our clients' success. A few of the questions you may receive as a financial service call center representative are the following. Can you assist me with installing an application? Do you know how to update the current software I have? I need help with a tax refund. Can you assist me? Responsibilities of this role: install and uninstall. How to install and troubleshoot install issues, identify OS version, administrative rights, creating admin accounts, and disabling. Antivirus and firewall software, running compatibility mode, unregistered and registered installer services, etc. As guided by knowledge base, how to, what isn't removed when uninstalled. Update, you have to update, explain it, auto update, manual updates from website troubleshooting, updating issues include verifying version, identifying install location, etc. As guided by knowledge base. You have to do pre-sales. What ways to get the product costs and features of each individual product order, processing, refunds. Use navigation, have to help the client with ease of use, locating forms, help content, calculation and summaries. Calculation. Best effort verification of calculation questions or issues. Understanding of calculation, claim, guarantees, qualifications, and process. Error check. Trouble connecting. Error sending and explaining the error. Wherein the return, it occurs, and the fix. Fixing rejected returns using TP admin or the online admin tool to identify the error code and following instructions listed in the tool to fix the error. User and password. When the customer have forgotten their user and password name, you have to help them with that too as well. Forgot password, reset, forgot username, need information. Browser issues. Clear temp files, cookies, navigation information troubleshooting, screen freeze, hand troubleshooting, compatibility issues. You have to do a range of those things. Those are just some of the things and responsibilities that you will have with this job, and the requirements are right here. At least 1 year Experience with technical problem-solving experience. Ability to successfully complete virtual training class without missing a single day. 100% attendance is required for this position if offered. Excellent communication skills. Must type at least 35 words per minute. Keyboard and software proficiency. Great problem-solving skills, ability to effectively multitask, high school diploma, GED, or college degree. Successful completion of background check is required for this position. Successful completion of room inspection. Equipment and workspace requirements. We will provide you with a computer and equipment. You must have high-speed internet. This company will provide you with the equipment for this job. Must be able to hardwire your work computer directly to your home modem via Ethernet. Must have a quiet space. Below is what you'll need to do to be considered for this position. It will take less than 20 minutes and includes everything required at this stage. Apply to the role and provide your basic profile information. Answer pre-screening questions to be sure you met the minimum requirements for the role. Complete a typing test and take short assessments to determine your fit for this role and set everyone up for success. So this is it for Conduent. It was posted 4 days ago, and they are hiring for positions customer service representative, online and software position. And the pay is $16.50 per hour. Now these are all for my jobs for this video, and I hope you guys found this to be resourceful and go ahead and apply, because these jobs do not last long. I'm telling you guys, these jobs do not last long at all. Yes, it was just posted 4 days ago, but guess what? It can go within 4 seconds or 4 minutes ago if you guys don't apply. So please apply and keep on going, Diamond Crew, because you are the best. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's get it. Keep on shining, keep on sparkling. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.